So here's what I'm finding out of the Chicago Cubs that will be using torpedo bats that are basically legal in the MLB. So here are the 2 Chicago Cubs players that will be using torpedo bats this season. Dansby Swanson and Nico Hoerner. Now, guys, I know the last reel I thought that torpedo bats were cheating, but you know what? It turns out that they're legal, man. I mean, look at the New York Yankees. I mean, look at when Cody Bellinger and Josh Chisholm Jr. and Aaron Judge started using torpedo bats. I mean, look at Josh Chisholm Jr. with his torpedo bat here. And, and they're saying that, they're asking the fans, like, should the Chicago Cubs begin using Yankees' new torpedo bat design? The Chicago Cubs need to decide if they are going to use new torpedo bats. I mean, what do you guys think? Comment down below if you think more Chicago Cubs players other than Nico Hoerner and Dansby Swanson should start using torpedo bats.